Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through where you can find your verified threads on Threads app. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Now, tap on the heart icon beside the profile icon. After that, you can scroll until you can find verified. Tap on it. And that's it. If any of the threads of yours have been verified, you can find them under this section.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.